Welcome back to our channel, where we provide valuable insights and tips on starting your own successful business. Today, we're going to dive into the world of dropshipping and show you how to start your very own dropshipping business. So, if you're ready to embark on this exciting journey, let's get started. Before we jump into the steps, let's quickly explain what dropshipping is for those who might be unfamiliar. Dropshipping is a business model where you, as the retailer, don't need to keep products in stock. Instead, when a customer places an order on your online store, you forward the order details to a supplier who will then ship the products directly to the customer. This eliminates the need for inventory management and allows you to focus on marketing and growing your business. Step 1. The first step in starting your dropshipping business is to find a profitable niche. A niche is a specific market segment that you'll be targeting with your products. Look for a niche that has a decent demand, but isn't overly saturated. Conduct market research to identify trending products or niches that align with your interests or passions. Step 2. Identify reliable suppliers. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to find reliable suppliers. Look for suppliers who offer a wide range of products, have a good track record of fulfilling orders on time, and provide competitive pricing. Popular platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Salehoo can help you connect with reliable suppliers. Step 3. Set up your online store. Now that you have your niche and suppliers, it's time to set up your online store. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce offer user-friendly interfaces and a variety of templates to help you create a professional-looking store. Customize your store with engaging product descriptions, high-quality images, and an intuitive navigation system. Step 4. Marketing and promotion. Having a great store is not enough. You need to attract customers to make sales. Invest time and effort into marketing and promotion. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your products. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to reach a wider audience. Additionally, consider running targeted ads on platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads to drive traffic to your store. Step 5. Optimize for conversions. To maximize your sales, it's essential to optimize your website for conversions. Ensure your website loads quickly, is mobile-friendly, and has a clear and intuitive checkout process. Implement customer reviews and testimonials to build trust and credibility. Offer competitive pricing and discounts to entice customers to complete their purchases. Step 6. Provide excellent customer service. Delivering excellent customer service is crucial for the success of your dropshipping business. Be responsive to customer inquiries and concerns. Set clear expectations regarding shipping times and provide tracking information for orders. Aim to exceed customer expectations whenever possible, as positive reviews and word-of-mouth referrals can greatly benefit your business. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to starting your own dropshipping business. Remember, success in dropshipping comes with continuous learning, adaptation, and perseverance. Stay updated with the latest market trends, optimize your marketing strategies, and always prioritize the needs of your customers. Best of luck on your dropshipping journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more business-related content. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.